I am speaking Dr. Deshbandhu Vajpayee from Kanak Polytherapy Clinic and Research Center, 67/70 Bhusa Toli Road, Barsan Bazar, Kanpur. This video is mainly in original form in Hindi language. Now, most of the people don't understand Hindi in most of the countries. So the translation of English of this video is produced by me. Now you go to the heading of this video. The video shows that Ayurveda medical system or medical science, new innovations and new researches have been done in India very widely, and they are practicing in India by the practitioners. My friend Vaid Arun Arya many times promoted and excited me to prepare a video form of the machines which have been used in India by the great practitioners of Ayurveda, and they have fabricated several types of machines and technology, including Ayurveda pathology. The Ayurveda pathology is divided in three parts. One, that is from blood samples, the principles of Ayurveda can be detected. The second one, the Ayurveda urine test, which is a chemically adjusted test. So there are another one is the blood chemical paper chromatography, by which the prakriti of man or uh, male and female both can be detected by paper chromatography technology. There are so many machines have been introduced by the practitioners of Ayurveda, and unfortunately these machines are not propagated properly by the Association of Ayurveda or the group of Ayurveda or the government machinery. So they are actually practicing by the Ayurvedic practitioner in toto, and those who know about it, they can getting benefit by the use of these machines. These machines are divided in so many parts. The one part is the diagnosis of Vat Pitta Kapha and its combinations, which are seven in nature. The second, the five kinds of each Vat Pitta and Kapha, that is combining 15 in total, and seven dhatus, which is considered as Ayurveda pathophysiology and Ayurveda pathology. So these seven dhatus are Ras, Rakta, Mans, Med, Asti, Majja, Shukra, which are divided in metabolism, related to hematology, related to skeletal system, related to fat, related to reproductive system, and so on. So these all machines and devices have been fabricated by so many organizations and are in used by the Ayurveda practitioners. The purpose of the video to produce this thing and to bring the innovations and inventions and researches in the field of Ayurveda to bring out before the public and to before the global community. Unfortunately, Ayurveda is considered a that type of medical system which should be, in my opinion, it should be the number one in India, just like the China has propagated his traditional Chinese medicine as a number one. So, in my opinion, our Indian medical system, that is known as Ayurveda, should be number one. Now, it is the policies of the government to which they want to give a promotion to any particular type of system, and which one should be in use of emergency and which should be in the use of maintaining health and so on. But it is a very poor performance we are seeing since independence, that Ayurveda have not been taken in that way which should be it have a place in the heart and mind of the most of the majority of Indians. Globally, now we see that Ayurveda is going to be very popular, and many countries are wishing to adopt the Ayurveda for the health community in their countries. Now we have a few very diligent and a very effective machineries and devices which have been innovated, invented and researched in India, and these technologies are actually indigenous technology and is being practiced in India. Now we will try to bring out these innovations and researches and inventions to the entire global public for the introduction of modern Ayurveda, which is artificial intelligence combining machines, gives a better diagnosis and management strategies and treatment strategies in toto. Now in this series, this is the part 1 of the series. Here you see that is the introductory part to entire global public. We have few technologies which we are mentioning here. Number 1 is electrotridosography, that is, you can say the MRI of Ayurveda, and it entirely the whole body examines. The second one is Ayurveda Tridoso scanner, which gives you a 2-page report in very short. Number 3 is Ayurveda head torso limb whole body scanner, which scans the whole body, either male or female, and gives a 7-page report, scans organs and Ayurveda principles. Now, in blood examination, the whole blood examination is done by the Ayush Vyuj blood examination machine, which gives you the basic chemistry of human body. The second one is colorimetric evaluation of Ayurveda principles and paper chromatography for getting the Prakriti, which is a very tedious job for any Ayurvedic physician to estimate the entire Prakriti of a particular person. But this technology gives you a perfect evaluation of Prakriti. Now, the another inventions and technologies will be given by part and in a series. So, this one is the first part, which can be said that it is an introductory part. Apart from this, there are so many other gadgets and devices are used by the Ayurvedic practitioners, and one of them is Sanay, which means the Sahaj Nali Yantra, that examines the Vat, Pitta and Kapha. The other one is Veda Pulse, that is another machine which entirely examines the human body. The Nali Tarangani, which gives you an additional approach to Vat, Pitta and Kapha. The next one is Nali Fit, which also provides the similar examination of Vat, Pitta and Kapha. And Nali Swara, which will also give you a particular type of the examination, and the Ayurveda principles with combo of traditional Chinese medicines established principles. So, this is the you will get in the series in English language, and the entire video series will go up to 25 now. So this is the first part 1 is you are getting the English translation here for entire Ayurveda principles, status quantification of Vat, Pitta, Kapha and its 7 segments, the 5 of each, that is 15 in nature, you will get it here. The Sapta Dhatu, which is a pathophysiology of Ayurveda, or you can say the pathology of Ayurveda, you will get it here. The description, which will be given time to time and in a series. The Hindi version of the all the parts are available in our YouTube channel, and if anybody would like to listen in Hindi, he can listen it to go to our channel, and we will try to give the entire summary of each and every machine which is used in India by the Ayurvedic practitioners and is available. So, the first thing is that the benefit of these machines reports give you a particular type of exploration of using medicine and diagnosis which is not get by the another way. So the perfection of diagnosis is based on the particularly in Ayurveda based on the Ayurvedic fundamentals and it is not very easy to get the fundamentals status quantification in a right manner by these devices and by these machines. Everything is given in a very particular manner and the entire machines will give you a perfection in toto by the uh, artificial intelligence and every machine is combined with the artificial intelligence and the artificial intelligence that summarizes the diagnosis and disease conditions which are particularly designed by the engineers and technologists. The research paper has been published by the researcher and is available on internet and in magazine and can be seen there in particular way. We hope that entire world will benefit, will be informed well. The Ayurveda innovations and research done by the India and Indian Ayurvedicians, which will give you a very perfect solution for Ayurveda diagnosis.